Body cams have captured some of the most intense, heart-stopping moments in history. Events that are horrifying, saddening, and even life-changing. Today, we're diving into 3 of the craziest body cam moments ever recorded. Let's start with a terrifying incident from May 13, 2017 in Douglas County, Colorado. A sheriff's deputy pulled over a vehicle for what seemed like a routine traffic stop, a situation that happens thousands of times daily across the country. But what unfolded in the next few moments shows how unpredictable these situations can be. The body cam footage begins with the deputy approaching the driver's side of the car. The driver, a man in his mid-30s, appears calm at first, handing over his license and registration. The officer asks a few basic questions about where he's headed and why he's out so late. Everything seems normal. After finishing his conversation with the driver, the deputy walks around to the passenger side of the vehicle. That's when everything changes. Out of nowhere, the suspect grabs a rifle hidden near the passenger seat and points it at the officer. In a split second, the officer has to make a decision. He draws his weapon and fires several shots at the suspect to defend himself. The suspect is hit in the arm and retreats back into the car.
15 shots fired! King 15 shots fired! King 15 shots fired! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Don't move!
What makes this even more intense is the officer's composure under pressure. Despite the chaos, he manages to call for backup and keep control of the situation.
King 15. I'm okay. Start medical for a subject with a bleeding arm. Get on the ground! Get on the ground!
Within minutes, other officers arrive on the scene, and the suspect is taken into custody. He is treated for his injuries, and thankfully, no one else is hurt. Why is this case so significant? Because it shows how quickly a routine traffic stop can turn into a life-or-death situation. The suspect's actions were completely unpredictable. He went from cooperative to violent in an instant. Within minutes, other officers arrive on the scene, and the suspect is taken into custody. He is treated for his injuries, and thankfully, no one else is hurt. In this shocking case, Officer Briana Tedesco of the Franklin Township Police Department faced a life-threatening situation during what started as a routine stop. Officer Tedesco approached a car parked suspiciously with out-of-state plates. The driver, a man later identified as fugitive Kenneth Martell, seemed nervous but claimed he was just taking a nap. As Tedesco calmly questioned him and asked for his license, Martell became more agitated and admitted he didn't have one. Unbeknownst to Tedesco, he was a wanted murderer. When the officer returned to her patrol car to run his information, Martell pulled out a gun and pointed it at her. Reacting quickly, Tedesco grabbed the weapon and begged for her life, repeatedly saying, "Please don't shoot me." Her body cam captured her terror as she desperately tried to de-escalate the situation.
Hi. Good, how are you? What are you doing parked back here? Okay, where are you coming from? How long have you been here? Not a big deal. I just have to make sure, you don't have any warrants or anything, which I'm sure you don't. Once I confirm that, you'll be on your way. No big deal. D-U-N-K-I-N? So you said your name was James, right? So how come they can't find you out of Pennsylvania? They're not finding a driver's license record for James Duncan. Do you have anything in the vehicle with your name on it? King Henry Lincoln 459. Oh! No! If you stop, I'll leave. Okay, I'll leave. No! Let go. Hey, no! Don't touch it! Don't touch it! No! Please don't shoot me! Please! Don't shoot me! No!
Her partner noticed the commotion and ran to her aid, drawing his firearm and fatally shooting Martell before he could harm Tedesco. It was later revealed that Martell was wanted for the murder of an elderly man in Pennsylvania. This case underscores the unpredictable and dangerous nature of policing. Officer Tedesco's quick reflexes and her partner's timely response saved her life, turning a terrifying moment into a testament to teamwork and training.